Hello, future doctors. This is your week 3 briefing for DDBA 8307. This week we're going to be looking at independent sample t-test. From your readings, you'll know by now, hopefully, that there are 3 types of t-test. And this week we will be looking at independent samples t-test. These briefings, which I will be posting each week, early in the week, will hopefully give you a jump start, calm your nerves a little bit, and get you ready to jump in doing these statistical tests. As always, you know I'm here. My contact the instructor information is provided, and you have clear directions on how to reach me. If you email me, feel free to do that as well. I'm here. Just take advantage of that. But make sure before you ask questions that you've done your part and done the readings, watch the videos, sometimes more than once, to make sure that you have a strong foundation. Dr. Taylor does a wonderful job leading you through. So the learning objectives for this week is to compare one sample, paired samples, and independent sample t-tests. We're going to analyze the impact of assumptions and make sure you have a clear understanding of what assumptions are, and then validate understandings of t-tests and quantitative business results. Now, the key thing, guys, is learning how to run this test, but also learning how to write up the results and what they mean. That is key. So make sure that if you do not understand the first time, watch the videos again or reread the material. Sometimes it takes more than one, at least it does for me. So here's our learning resources, our readings for the week. Notice that we have a document exemplar and a template. The template you can use to submit your assignment. You can fill that out. The assignment exemplar is just that. It's just an exemplar that Dr. Taylor has laid out that shows you the different places where to insert your information. All right. So I'm going to pull that up. Notice the comments. Make sure you use those. Great resources. Also, it gives you the key here of writing the statistical notation. Make sure you use that. All right. Okay. Again, 2 videos this week. The first video is introducing you to t-test as well as walking you through the procedure. And the second one is helping you understand the results and the write-up, which is very important. Here's your required data set. Sometimes from week to week we get confused about which data set to use. This one's the one for this week. And then our discussion. We're talking about this week about data assumptions and parametric and non-parametric tests. Please read the Lumley article as well as lessons 19 through 21 in your textbook. By day 3, which is Wednesday, make sure you've posted your initial post answering each one of those questions. And then make sure you provide 2 specific citations. And then by day 5, but at least by the end of the week, the more the better. Go and give feedback to 2 of your classmates. The more, the better. So make sure you're active in your discussions. What I have found in teaching this course, the students that are the most active in discussions are always the ones who are proficient in the work, who you can tell and see their growth throughout the 8-week course. And they're also the ones that really come out of the course with the most return on their investment. And that's the key here, guys. That you get a major return on the investment of your time and resources into this course. You have a quiz on the independent samples t-test. And then here's your assignment, and that's due by the end of the week. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And I'm looking forward to reading your work. Thanks, guys.